Hello, welcome to today's lesson. So today I'm going to learn how to save and also types of savings. So let's say our workspace is our finished flyer. So if you want to save, you just go to the top left corner of your working space. So you click there, you can say save as. You go to save as. You see, when you click here, the first one will be PSD. So every good designer has to save it in PSD format before saving it in other format. So the reason why I say PSD format is that for PSD format, you can edit it again. Okay, you can edit the file again, but in JPEG, you cannot edit it again. Okay, as we move forward to the advanced level, you learn how to edit the other format as well. So after saving it in PSD form, you can come here, JPEG, you click on JPEG, then you click on save. You see the rename is already there, so I just click no. Then I'll just say maybe test. Okay, then I'll press save. So when you press save in JPEG, a pop-up menu will come like this. Then make sure the standard or the quality is 12 or maximum or large, then the basement to baseline or standard, then press OK. And that's all, your work has been saved. I hope you have enjoyed this class. See you in our next class. Bye bye.